born to enjoy all the delicacies and all luxuries. Look at this house. Those dirty walls, these shabby chairs, and those ugly curtains. If I were just married to a handsome and rich man, I'm sure I will have all I wanted. And I will be the one whom all women envy about.
What a good son. I don't know everything better than this.
You're right. I'm sure David is much better than
Look, darling, I have something for
Darling, what's this? And what do you wish me to do with it?
Why, darling? I thought you would be glad. You never go out, and this is such a fine opportunity. I had great trouble to get. Everyone wants to go, and they are not giving many invitations at first. The whole official world will be there.
And what do you wish me to put on my back?
The gown you're going to look for. Who's better looking? What's the matter? What's the matter?
Nothing. Only I have no dress. Therefore, I could not go to the ball. Just leave your card to somebody who's going to support you.
Come, let us see. How much does it cost? A suitable gown? Which you can use in other occasions? Something very simple.
Well, I don't know exactly, but I think I could manage it. Perhaps.
Very well. I will give you 400 francs to try to have a
Thank you, Lord.